up? What up? They say the early bird gets the worm. Well, I'm early. I'm hoping that these fish get my worm. Yeah, that's corny. But anyway, I'm gonna get my fishing in. These boys talking about they're gonna be out here early, but nobody showed up. I'll just fish until they get here. There's a big bass right in front of me. Cruiser. He's just cruising down. I see some smaller bass. They don't seem to be bothered by me being here. Nothing seems to be hungry. I think I might be throwing the wrong bait. This thing is dumb clear. It's dumb clear. It might be matching the hatch, but it's like super see-through in the water. Hey, it's a few buzz baits on this tree out here. This water is clear. Oh, someone was chasing that whopper plopper for a second. You want it to make that pop noise. Just keep working that pattern. Keep going, throwing it by there. They'll come hit it eventually. Yep, he got him. He got him. I told you. I told you that top water's a killer out here. Keep it down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Don't really. Keep your line tight.
Like this?
Yeah, keep your line tight. Don't reel up. Now you got the line crossed. Yeah, bring him in. Oh, he just spit it. He just spit it. Oh, man.
It was tangled.
Go ahead. I told him. It's exciting when they hit that top water, too, boy.
That shit is so exciting.
That's where I caught the last one from, right over where you casting it. Right across there and black out. They can't stand these whopper ploppers. Oh, there go James got one. Is that top water? Is that top water? That's the black Chapo? Yeah. Telling you, they like it out here. They love that top water out here. All right, don't slide in that water, man. I can't swim. You ain't gonna get him? I hope you don't get him. Oh, right in the tree. There we go. Other day he said something like, he said, man, I ain't caught no fish in a long time. I'm starting to feel like I can't fish. I said, I'm starting to feel like you can't fish either. I mean, I started to feel like you can't fish too. Today? No, you hooked one today. Show y'all how to catch these fish. You ain't tried this little log yet?
Yeah, briefly.
Well. I know how to fish, man. Some chased it. But my hook stuck. My hook stuck on my line. So I know how to fish, dude. I can fish. I throw this cast. They don't call me the bass sniper for nothing. Sound accurate. Look, he got it. He hit it. He attacking it. Nah, he attacking it, but he ain't taking it down. I'm gonna throw it out there again. He keep hitting it, like he keeps splashing the water at it, but for some reason he ain't taking it down. Maybe it's a little one. I almost fell in the water right here. Y'all would have laughed at me so hard.
Yeah,
And it's deep right here.
I definitely would have.
It's about 4 feet deep right, or 3 feet deep right there. I'd have definitely been up to my.
People get mad at you. I noticed that on the fish shop.
Yeah.
You got one?
Finally got one.
Hell yeah, I got a good one.
You see where I'm keeping it? Oh yeah, he's a good one. Get up here.
Oh, shit.
Get over here.
What the hell?
That's mine.
This guy. This guy. What was that?
What was that? That was another fish just splashed.
Yeah. Oh,
Nice,
dude.
throw out there.
Look at that beast.
Yeah.
Beast mode.
Get over here. Hey, he been caught before. His lip been ripped a bunch of times.
Oh,
He might be the one that nah, that took my whopper plopper my chopo that day. He been getting toe up out here.
Good,
Man.
nice, healthy looking one though.
Yeah, look, somebody done got him right here with a hook. He been getting his ass toe up on these baits, man. I feel for this little fish. Damn, that was a fish.
where? Right
Just
there?
jumped out of the water. I clearly saw him jump out. I caught him on swim bait, that new one. I was just getting ready to give up on it too.
Really?
Yep.
Never let up.
Yeah. Never
That's
let
a nice
up.
size fish right there. Sucks he's only 2 pounds. He looks a whole lot better than that.
Yep. Damn.
For sure.
You okay, buddy? Let's clean you off.
Yeah.
You been mistreated out here, man.
That's why you never let up, Jake.
Yeah, you right, man. 'Cause I be fucking getting irritated.
He always say that too. I'll just get ready to switch my bait.
Yep.
Look, he ain't left yet. I had to snap my finger for him to go. He was just chilling. I was just getting ready to give up on this bait too. I like when they bite these swim baits. They just pick them up so nonchalantly. You feel like something just kind of tug. You don't hear. Sometimes you'll feel a slam on it, but sometimes you just feel like something like tug and like they'll just and then start swimming with it. And I just set the hook on their ass. Yeah, keep reeling. Keep your line tight. Don't. You don't have to keep snatching back. Just make sure your line is tight. Just reel. Just reel. You don't have to keep pulling him. Just reel. If he not fighting, just reel. Ah, man. Bruh. You gonna lose the fish again? You gonna let him get to the trees? Oh. That's a good size one, too. Damn, that's a huge one.
Get the video.
I got the video. You just get the fish. Bring him over here. Bring him this way. Bring him this way. Run him this way. No, don't. You got braid on here?
30 pounds. He ain't
Oh, well, you ain't gonna break it then. Oh, yeah, finally.
Oh, get the
Yeah.
skin.
Hey, you gonna lose him.
You damn near lost him. Hey, Justin got on the big fit. You scared to grab him? Come on, man. You got them pliers out for, man.
I was about to do surgery. Yeah. My boy the one putting me on.
Off the chopper. What
Hey.
a nice catch off him.
Yeah.
Hey. Nice catch, man.
Appreciate
Yes,
it.
sir.
Appreciate
Yes,
it.
sir. Finally.
Hey, I appreciate y'all taking me.
Look at that thing, boy.
Hey, here you go get your release, man.
Now I look sad today with that little puny one.
I guess I'll get the release on him.
Something wrong with my rod, bro.
Hey, he big, man. He's a big one. Boy, if you don't quit saying you caught 2 fish, when me and my whole YouTube audience saw you catch 1. You gonna show her a picture of 2 of them? Which ones? The same fish twice? Look, tell her don't watch my video then, because I'm putting you on blast. They look like catfish. Yeah. They went away from my bait. It looked like catfish. We got another one right here. Oh, that's a bass, I think. Yeah, them catfish, man. Yeah, their heads is too wide.
Oh,
It's 3 of them. One just swam out from right here.
There's 3 of them.
That's what I just said. That's what she said. Ah, man. Dicking around with these dudes, man. Good times. It's hot out here. They trying to let up. We all gonna go grab a bite to eat so we don't die in this heat. I'll catch y'all on the next mission. Never let up.